Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamualaikum, alaikum salam. Shukran afwan, kifal halik. So for today, we will performing hair spa treatment for our client. So pag sinabing hair spa, ang gagawin nating treatment ay focus siya sa scalp at saka sa hair ng client. So, ito ang proper application ng hair spa.
1. Gently secure waterproof ear covers. 2. Apply the hair spa cream or treatment thoroughly from roots to ends. 3. Wrap the hair neatly with cling wrap to lock in natural moisture and prevent the product from drying out. Place a comfortable hair cover or processing cap over the wrap. Proceed with steaming or processing according to your specific product instructions.